Welcome! This is a part of my 4-part series on adding pro sound in CapCut. I'm building the effect on Krotos Studio Max and then bringing the stems into CapCut so you can follow the exact steps. Today's focus, spooky and horror sounds. So the next thing I want to add is some kind of spooky atmosphere because it's supposed to be like something she's hearing, something she's afraid of. So we want to bring the tense. So let's jump into cinematic sounds now, because it's very fast and easy to make cinematic sound. Just throw them into CapCut and you can have an amazing result without trying too hard to create your own cinematic sound from zero. So here there are plenty of different categories within the cinematic. So for this scene that is just freaking out, I'm gonna put the flashback psycho sound, which is like this. I'm gonna add a little more. Okay, I think the second one was very nice, so I'm gonna choose that and put it around that scene. I'm gonna make it a little smaller and then a little bit fade in and fade out to bring it at the right. So she's hearing some voices, so we want to make this tense. Another sound that I really like for this scene will be the ghost walk, which is gonna bring us the vibe of somebody is behind us. So let's... Okay, so I'm gonna drag this and drop it here, and it's gonna start straight after the sound.